Everybody! Today I'm going to go 5 platforms that are going to earn you continuous passive income of at least $20 a day or $600 a month, but the potential with these are virtually limitless. These 5 passive earning machines reward you for using assets you already have a surplus of, an asset that's actually being sold off by the same company that's providing you it without you even being aware of it. I don't really know how it is illegal, but they get away with it. This asset's being used a lot to build up and improving networks, and it is your unused bandwidth. So what a lot of these companies have started doing is accessing unused bandwidth to help further their research and speed on their projects. And I will go over this and explain it all as we go over our next 5 applications. A slightly different learning method that you can incorporate in all of this to help boost your earnings that I will throw in at the end for everyone, so make sure you stick around and catch that to get the most out of all this. Alright, let's get into it. Up first, we have Uprock. So as you can see in my wallet here, I have just over $7. Now, Uprock does pay out in their own native currency. They have developed when the generation event and released their token. Now you can see that they also offer staking rewards on top of the tokens you've already earned, up to 20% APR on a 1-year stake. Now if you're curious, what is Uprock? Well, as you can see here, these are all these transactions that occur, and that was just the past 2 days. But Uprock wants to pay you for sharing your unused bandwidth. Uprock is a simple application that runs in the background of your device, and all you do is allow Uprock to monetize your unused bandwidth. As you can see here, there is also a referral promotion bonus, almost like an affiliate program. So if you do have friends and family that are into accruing passive income as well, definitely be the first to let them know, because that is how this can be such a lucrative way of earning passive income. So as you can see here, all the stats, where most of the people are, how they are planning on rolling out their AI network. It's actually coming very soon, which I'm really excited to see all these networks finally come to fruition. Next on the list, and possibly the most infamous of all, Honeygain. Now, Honeygain is personally an app that I used on and off for a couple years, getting into it a little while ago, doubting if it was even real or not. Turning out it is, and it is one of the most established, well-known, and trusted sources of providing income for unused bandwidth. Honeygain is a passive income app that lets users earn money by sharing their internet connection. It's a crowdsourcing platform making ethical acquisitions of residential IPs from consenting users. Honeygain is proven to be safe and secure, helping millions of users earn extra money through their unused internet bandwidth. In 2019, the Honeygain team launched a cutting-edge product, a crowdsourced residential proxy network. They knew from the start that creating direct value for their end users wouldn't be enough, and they had to make a long-term commitment to positively impacting the proxy industry, surfing from transparency issues. Here's my Honeygain dashboard. As you can see, the blue is my daily earnings from my unused bandwidth. The pink is from the daily chests, bonuses, and rewards. And the yellow down there is from the jump task bonus. So you also have the option to put in jump task mode. Jump task is a platform that you can watch videos on, play games, I believe surveys, music, and they pay you out in their own token. What's neat about this is you're able to stake the tokens that you earn on this, and one jump task is about $1 USD right now. So you can see my earnings here as they do spike a little bit. As you'll notice, if you are out all day, your earnings will go up a little bit more because you're not using as much bandwidth. There's the transaction history, and it really is a great application. I honestly was skeptical at first because I didn't believe that there was going to be someone that would pay for almost a service like this, or I thought there would be transparency issues, security issues, but it's great. Now they also have a bonus for their referral program. Now you're going to get 25% of your first referrals earnings. Now it does scale down from there. They do also have all of these challenges, as you can see, that will increase your earnings a lot more if you are an active user. All in all, I really enjoy Honeygain. So here is jump task, just to show you really quick. You can play games, watch videos, do surveys, and stake your tokens to earn on top of your earnings at about 20%. After that, we have good old Grass.io, because everybody deserves some grass. Now, Grass is, of course, the same concept. They're trying to create a AI network. Grass is currently finishing the development beta phase of their token. The token generation event is going to be any day now, so stay tuned. 2 days ago, Grass was trading on the whales market at $1 because I have 223,000. And then the next day it was at 2 cents. So we'll see where it goes. Anyways, Grass.io operates through a lightweight application that runs on your device, be it your computer, phone, or router. The app identifies periods of unused internet. It securely encrypts the data and transmits data is then used for various purposes like market research or content delivery without compromising your privacy or affecting internet speed. And in return, you earn Grass tokens for every data shared. Now, one thing I must point out in the top 5 that I have chose is they are all extremely transparent. You see all the data coming in and out to the kilobyte, and the rewards all add up. It's great. So here you can see is my Grass dashboard. So the light green is my daily earnings. The dark green there is from bonuses, prizes, rewards. And the little sliver at the bottom is from referral earnings. Actually, I posted it on a referral code website a little while back, and someone used it. So that has been helping me achieve greater rewards along the way. So you can see all the epochs here. Grass has been going on for about 9 months now, and you can see down at the bottom here, it is time to generate the tokens. All the wallets are being verified. Everything is getting ready to be distributed. So here's their referral program. You can see the tiers here and the payout that comes along with it. And now you do also get a portion of your referrals earnings, and it's not like you take the earnings from them. Now, Grass is unique because they have released a node feature, so you can actually double your earnings, which I am currently taking advantage of. But if you're not a fan of that, you can connect to the community node. It's still going to give you a bonus of 1.25, so that's neat that they implemented that. And here are some recent trades on the whales market. If you don't know about the whales market, it's a lot of pre-traded cryptocurrencies. I'm going to say almost a newer concept, similar to like what BitGet would have, but a lot more extensive. Really familiar with. I've only found it recently. I had my doubts about it at first, just based off the name. They're the first to have traded Grass. Passive earnings team 4 out of 5 is Earn App. Earn App is an app that seems fake, but it's actually the most transparent app that I have seen to date, and I have tested out quite a few of these. So what I did special for this video is I started earning right as I recorded the whole desktop section. When I post the video, it's going to be about 2 days later, and I will put a little screenshot at the end so you can see how much we've earned opening Earn. Earn is a revolutionary platform that gives their users the opportunity to get money for their unused bandwidth. This innovative app is available. Earn is a revolutionary platform that allows users to earn money from their unused internet bandwidth. This innovative app is available for use on PC, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, Android, and iOS devices, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Create a solid architect that allows data-driven facts to be delivered to companies implement in their decision-making process. For a little bit about the company, Earn is developed by Right Data Inc., the world's leading web data platform owns Earn. Together with other platforms like Thinkibox, it provides a global network of millions of individuals who help retrieve valuable public online data in the most authentic and solid manner possible. So the thing that's awesome about all these networks is really it is generally a great thing for humanity that behind our backs has been sold to information companies, whether it was for the greater good or not, it was for whatever the service provider could get the most money for, where we take action and actually get what we're entitled to. It provides valuable public online data in the most authentic and solid manner possible. Here you can see my Earn app dashboard. There's only one green stick so far. as I did sign up today. So I connected my phone and my computer, and it looks like it's about 10 cents per gigabyte. So you can keep compiling these applications, and it doesn't make a difference or affect your quality of using your computer while they're running, or the results, their output, which I almost found fascinating, because I thought for sure if you had a couple running that it would have to affect it. It doesn't. If you're interested in this, send them your referral code, which will be right here for you, and you're going to earn 10% of their earnings. And again, it's not taking it from them. Earn just rewards you for helping grow the community. Now, a good chunk of these companies also offer tiered affiliate programs. So when your friend signs up under you, you'll receive 10% of their rewards. But if they have a friend sign up underneath them, then you'll receive 5% of that kind of second tier. And then if that person has someone sign up underneath them, you'll usually receive 2 or 3% as well. So it can grow exponentially, and if you are able to network well, I think you could live off of this. I don't know if you can make a career out of it, if it'll be a thing forever, but it's very lucrative. So as you can see here, this platforms currently have no transactions, no referrals, no promotions. And if you are a little bit more curious about the app after installing, the frequently asked questions are right there. They are very user-friendly and will actually have answers to any questions that you may deem a silly question at first. Probably there, just check it out. Here they do have a good detailed estimated earnings on your referrals. So if you were curious on the breakdown, you can always come over here, punch in the numbers real quick, and see what it's worth to help others. Isn't it funny? Last but not least, the OG of them all, one of my favorites, Pawns app. Excuse me, formerly known as IP Royal Pawns. The Pawns platform lets members earn passive income by selling their bandwidth. Surprise! And also by answering surveys, playing games, and you get to spin different spinners, do little activities to get points to earn more money. It's actually a great system. I like it a lot. The company began in 2021 and operates out of the United Arab Emirates. Since then, it's grown to over 1.8 million users around the world and is one of the fastest growing apps in the space. What's nice about Pawns app is it provides users with both passive and active income options. You can sell your internet bandwidth to earn passive income, but paid surveys are also always available, as well as their games. It only takes $5 to cash out in Pawns app, and when you sign up using a referral code, the first $2 will already be there for that, so it's a nice chunk to get you a good way on your way. So the whole sharing the bandwidth is going to essentially be the same as Honeygain and Uprock, turning your device into a node for Pawns VPN network to earn. Pawns lets you share your bandwidth from your smartphone or your computer, and they pay you 20 cents per gigabyte. So you can see my dashboard here. I currently have provided 11 gigabytes. We've earned around $7 so far. I always have my desktop application open, running, because it runs no matter what. But while recording this, I found out you can't participate in any of the surveys, games, or the spinner bonus reel on these desktop application. But if you go on the internet, you can do the surveys and a good majority of the games. But you do have to go on your mobile device to spin the lucky wheel, which, as you can see, how it works, the surveys, yeah, it says I can't, I have to be on my mobile device, which is kind of a lie. They give you promotional content to help you share your referral links if that is something that you are into. Then these are all just, they're really great because they help everyone else out, and most people that are looking to sign up for this will use it for a lifetime, so lifetime income, essentially. Okay, so I went online to do some investigating to see if I had any more access, and as you can see here, there are some desktop games. Raid actually pays out $50 on the desktop, and that one's pretty much an auto-clicker, so that's pretty sweet. But you do have a lot more variety on the internet web browser, so if you do not have a mobile device, definitely check it out on the web browser, but install the application on your computer so it will continually be running in the background coin you made. So you can see here, there's Visa payout, Amazon payout, PayPal payout, as well as the Bitcoin payout. Once again, Pawns app does have a minimum of $5, but most of the ones that I've selected, the best ones, do not. Does it for this video. If anybody has any more questions or concerns and would like me to do an in-depth review on any of these platforms and how to maximize your earnings, just let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, please leave a like. And if you want to see more of this, subscribe to let me know. These applications will definitely help inch you closer on your road to financial freedom. So be keen, be aware that opportunities are starting to present themselves, such as these, and there are more and more ways to increase your earnings, especially passive earnings. So stay ahead so we don't fall behind. Till next time.